Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. Let me discuss about verifiable auditing for outsourced database in cloud computing. Now we discuss about abstract. The notion of databases outsourcing enable the data owner to delegate the database management to a cloud service provider CSP that provides various database service to different users. Recently, plenty of research work has been done on the primitive of outsourced databases. However, it seems that no existing solutions can perfectly support the properties of both correctness and completeness for the query results. So, especially in this case, when the designed CSP intentionally return an empty set for the query request of the users. In this paper, we propose a new verifiable auditing scheme for outsourced databases which can simultaneously achieve the correctness and completeness of search results even if the designed CSP purposely written an empty set. The empty sets we can prove that our construction can achieve the designed security properties even in the encrypted outsourced databases. Besides, the proposed scheme can be extended to support the dynamic databases settings by incorporating the notion of verifiable databases with updates. Now we discuss about flow diagram. Now starting the process, enter the users or admin and then going to the registration form. The registration form is finished and then going to the login frame. The login frame checking the ID and passwords is correct and go to the process selection. If it is wrong, then go to the login frame. The process two ways: the file upload, another one file download. The file upload choose only admin, file download choose only users. The file upload is choosing sometimes owner, then going to the next file uploaded. The file upload is checking the duplications in cloud server. The cloud servers store before the file is encryptions and then saved the cloud server. This is same file is go to save auditor server and then finished process. Now we discuss about users entry. File download choosing the users and the user is ID and password is again checking the cloud server. The correct, go to the next process. If it is wrong, return the user sections. The cloud server is returned to the get owner the cheaper text. The cheaper text is the owner names. That owner names is sent to the auditor server. The auditor server is giving to the descriptions. Description means the partial files. The partial files give to the file downloads the original plain text and then finish the end. Now start the demo. First you click home page and then run file. So this is the home page. Now click the next button. So this one is the login page. So first you join us. This is username field, email ID, password, confirm password, then male or female, age, user key, all fields first you fill. So yoga and then yoga@gmail.com, password yoga, confirm password yoga mail 27. The user key is MPWCHGQ68J. So now join us. Registration is successful. And then you got email ID. So yoga@gmail.com. Sorry. yoga@gmail.com. Yoga. So login. The login is successful. So that is the upload file, download file. So all users owner and all users downloading using the two options. So now we click upload file. So this is the owner frame. So this is selection file. First a selected file, you choosing dictum file roots. This is selection file, this is encryption file. Now will encrypted, encryption is successfully completed. So view, this is encrypted data. This file, go to the file hash key generated. So this is a hash key for this file. This hash key is again encrypted. File hash key encryption successfully. So this is encrypted. We send the server. The server means cloud server. Send. Now we run cloud server. This is cloud server frame. So this content check encryption hash key. So first you click get the hash key. The hash key is decryption. This is a decryption name, and then click file name. These root files you are uploaded. Check the duplications. No duplications occurred. The duplications means the contents already saved or not. Now the duplications not saved already, so it will be saved. Send status. The status go to get status. No duplication occurred. The hash key saved successfully. So this is now process finished. Owner frame. Now go to the download files. Click download file. Enter the users yoga user key. Encryption is successfully completed. Encryption is successfully. This is also email ID. Send server. This details. Click server frame. Enter the encryption email ID. Encrypted user key. Now decrypted email ID. Decryptions user key. Check user key is correct. If the user key is wrong, it will send this is not authentication users. Now send status. Get users status. User key is correct. So this is the owner chipper key list. This chipper key list, get list, auditor. This auditor is a third party get list. So now you click get key. This key is original owner name. This is also different. This also different owners names list. So now enter this yoga owner name key. So now send these files. I get send auditor. Now start auditor server. This is a third party. Get key. Get owner name. It will be give to owner file list. So this is only one file. Now we uploaded. So send request. Get users. Receive file list. Download frame. Just click owner and then get owner list. Click file name. This is content. We get to the file. Now done. Graph. This is outsourcing frame. This one is a data retrieving. Outsourcing. This is comparison of existing and proposed. EOS means existing, PO is proposed. So time is constraints in 2 seconds. The existing was 5 seconds. And then data receiving. Time cost retrieving. So retrieving 5 seconds. This is also same 2 seconds. Thank you.